Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to do a WhatsApp automation for missed calls in GoHighLevel. Doing a missed call text back in SMS is quite simple. They've got a default feature for that in GoHighLevel, but we have to create a workflow to send out a WhatsApp message once a call is missed. If you have a phone number in your GoHighLevel account, like this one in the sub account, we go to settings and phone system. If you have purchased a phone number from here and you're using that phone number everywhere, if a call comes into that number and that call is missed, you can actually send out a WhatsApp message. That's basically a missed call WhatsApp automation. In order to do that, you have to go to settings and go to WhatsApp and make sure WhatsApp subscription is enabled. If you don't have an active WhatsApp subscription like the one you can see here in the screen, you can't really send out WhatsApp messages from this GoHighLevel account, whether automatically or manually. So make sure you have that set up. If you want to know how to set that up, there's a video link in this video's description. You can just follow that video to set up WhatsApp, and not only that, you'll get all the information you need for setting up WhatsApp in GoHighLevel. Do watch that video and come back to this video of that. Once you've got WhatsApp set up, you just go to templates and create a new template. We will call it missed call text back, and the category will be marketing because this is a message we are sending to the contact for the first time. If this is a message we were sending to a contact whom we've interacted with before, we would select utility. That's basically the difference between these two categories. The language will be English UK, and then we can just turn off header because we want to keep it really simple and say, hey there, sorry I missed your call. Is it okay if I give you a call back? This is actually the message that goes out on missed call. Let me know what time works. No footer needed, no button needed, and that's it. That's our missed call WhatsApp message. Hey there, everyone. Just wanted to take a few seconds from this video to talk about my school community, where if you join, first of all, you get to ask me questions about high level, Google Ads, Meta Ads, SMMA, anywhere you're stuck in the build, any issues you're facing on anything. You can see there's loads of questions in the community. We interact here all the time. Then you can have access to all my courses in the classroom. I have courses on GoHighLevel Automation AI, courses on Google PPC Ads, Meta Ad, how to launch your SMMA, how to scale your SMMA, and a bunch of other stuff. Also, there's a template library you can see here. A lot of resources on Google Ads, Meta Ads, funnels, GoHighLevel workflows. There are built-in snapshots ready to go. Literally load into your account and then start using them. Loads of GoHighLevel CSS, and I'm adding stuff to it every day. And one of my most favorite things in the community is the calendar section, where we have a couple of events going on every week. First of all, there's the weekly Q&A. Secondly, there's the weekly coaching session where we cover a specific topic every week, and then we do a short Q&A on that topic. So if you want to join the community, there's a link in this video's description, which will take you to the sign up page, and I will see you on the other side. Now let's get back to the video. Now we have to wait for this template to be approved. Right now you can see that the status says pending. When it's approved, you can actually go to workflows, and here we can just create a new workflow. So we will say start from scratch. And let's call this workflow missed call WhatsApp message. Now the trigger for this workflow will be call details. So call direction will be incoming because we are just sending this message for incoming calls that we've missed. And the call status will be no answer, busy, or just say canceled. Also voicemail. So these are the call status we're checking. If the number was busy, you were talking to someone, that's why they couldn't connect the call. If it went to voicemail, or if it was a no answer, which is a missed call, then we will just do a WhatsApp. Just select the WhatsApp action from here, and then you can just select the template from here. If you don't want to use a template, you can just do a free form text here. I guess that works too. So hey there, sorry I missed your call. What time works for you so I can call back? So you can do that as well, but I highly recommend using a template. Get rid of this. Once you select WhatsApp and once the templates are approved there, you can just select that template from here and then save action and then save and publish the workflow. So that's how we do missed call WhatsApp automation. Now the template isn't approved yet because we literally just created it. It takes a few minutes to be approved. Otherwise I could show you how to actually set up the action, but so just select WhatsApp, select the template, save action. That's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.